Making money with Etsy involves selling handmade, vintage, or digital products to a global audience. Here's how to build a successful Etsy shop. Choose a profitable niche. Focus on high-demand products like jewelry, printables, personalized gifts, or home decor. Use Etsy's search bar and tools like eRank or Marmally to find trending items. Set up your Etsy shop. Create an Etsy seller account at Etsy.com and set up your store with a unique name and brand. Add high-quality product images, SEO-optimized titles, and detailed descriptions. Sell digital or physical products. Digital downloads require no shipping, making them highly profitable. For physical products, use print-on-demand services like Printify or Printful to sell custom designs without holding inventory. Drive sales with marketing. Optimize listings with SEO-friendly keywords to appear in Etsy search results. Use Etsy ads, Pinterest, and Instagram to attract more buyers. Offer great customer service. Fast responses and good reviews increase shop visibility and sales. Provide discounts, free shipping, or bundle deals to boost repeat customers.